Hi, in this video on algebraic techniques, we take a look at substitution. By the end of this video, I want you to be able to substitute positive integers, that's positive numbers, into our algebraic expressions. So what is substitution? Substitution is when you replace the pronumerals with actual values. For example, if I want you to solve x plus 3, I'll tell you what x is going to be. X is going to be 2 in this situation. So if I want to solve x plus 3, I need to replace anywhere where I see an x with a 2. And I put brackets around it because later on we're going to see some harder ones, and the brackets really helps to make it a lot clearer. So x plus 3 is going to be 2 plus 3. Now I can solve that. I know the arithmetic on that. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So the solution to x plus 3 when x equals 2 is 5. Let's take a look at another example. Find the value of 2y when y equals 5. So if I want to work out what 2y is, that's a 2 next to a y. That means I'm going to be multiplying. 2 lots of y means 2 lots of 5. And you'll notice that I've put them in brackets next to each other. I could have written 2 times 5, but I've decided to put them in brackets next to each other. I need to know that that means multiply. Now, if I didn't use the brackets, this is what it would look like. 2y equals 25. But there's a line through that equal sign because it does not equal 25. It means 2 lots of 5, which is not 25, but 10. So the value of 2y when y equals 5 is 10, because 2 lots of 5 is 10. Here's example number 3. Solve 3t plus 1 minus 4, minus t, when t equals 4. So everywhere where I see a t in this expression, I need to replace it with a 4. So that 3t becomes a 3 next to a 4, which means 3 times 4. I'm then going to add 1 to it, and then I'm going to take away another 4. Again, I've put them all in brackets so that I can see where I've substituted. Then I'm going to simplify a little bit. That 3 lots of 4 is 12. So my next line of working out will look like 12 plus 1 take away 4. I've simplified it by getting rid of the brackets. Finally, 12 plus 1 is 13. Take away 4 is 9. So the solution to 3t plus 1 minus t when t equals 4 is 9. Our last example is to substitute x equals 3 and y equals 5 into this expression, which is 3x plus y plus 8. So we're going to be substituting 2 different values into the one expression. So that 3x, I have to replace every x with a 3. So I'm going to put a 3, and then next to it in brackets I'm going to put another 3. That means 3 times 3, or 3x. Then I need to add whatever y is. In this case, y is 5, so I'm going to add 5. And then I put the plus 8 on the end of my expression. 3 lots of 3 is 9, so I'm going to get rid of those brackets by doing 3 lots of 3, which is 9, adding the 5 by just getting rid of the brackets, and then adding 8, which in total is 22. So when I substituted x equals 3 and y equals 5 into that expression, the answer was 22. So what should you write now? Well, a heading of substitution is always a good start, as well as a quick definition about what substitution is. And then we've got 4 examples that we wrote. The yellow and the green one that's on the screen now, and the blue and the orange one that I'd like you to copy down. So pause the video, go back where you need to, and get down those 4 examples so that you're ready for the next lesson. And that's it. Hopefully now you can know how to substitute positive integers, that's positive numbers, into our algebraic expressions, and that you know when something like a equals 4, then if we have 5a, it means 5 lots of 4, which is 20. Or if we had 9 take away a, that'd be 9 take away 4, which is 5. Good luck.